listed for sale. Let's get her out of here. Mm-hmm. Oh, hello. Hello. Are you going to be an outtake?
Down here. Downtown. Come here.
Downtown.
Whoa!
Clean up on aisle 3. You guys, because of you, we hit 1,000 subscribers this year, and we are so grateful for your support. And we are here to celebrate. 3, 2, 1. 2021 was the beginning of Second Chance Ohana, and we are so grateful that you've been on this journey with us, and what an adventure it's been with ups and downs and lots of memorable moments.
It's been great, and thank you guys so much for coming along with us, joining us, for subscribing, and we just love your comments. Keep them coming. Thank you so much.
So join us as we take a look at some of those most memorable moments from this year.
This was such a fun year. And Danny, you sure had some great dorky moments.
All right, so we've got our plan. So Mom, go ahead and get started. And I'm gonna go hop on a plane to Florida. Have fun. I'm such a brat.
Bye-bye. All right, now take those smoothing tools. Oh, just stop. She's whining. It's all right. You can wash your hands as soon as you're done.
But I'm getting the tools sticky.
That's all right. That's fine. It washes off.
And obviously these are not original.
Right.
And the drawers they're a struggle and have a lot of damage. So we'll see if we can make that work.
So today I'm using the LA's Totally Awesome Cleaner.
Totally awesome.
Whatever.
Did you get that?
Oh yeah.
All right, that's fun.
And I think that one's empty. Okay. Until next time, have fun flipping. I don't know what that is. Speaking of flipping, furniture wasn't the only thing you flipped, Mom.
Cut right to about where my finger is. Try to make that be the guide, yeah.
Are you flipping me off?
Okay.
I told you, Tutu always does this.
That was totally unintentional, I swear. The previous owners were from the UK, and with their accent, it just made me think of Scandinavian. So I totally want to just take this.
Mom, you want to share kind of what we think we need to do to this piece?
Yes, so while I just love the pattern of the wood, the other thing is, I'm just really excited with it.
And the winner is... It's true.
I know I'm a slob sometimes, but really, Pops, does it have to be in slow motion too?
Aloha.
And Melikalika
We hope that you learned some new ideas and have found ways to make the Christmassy box work for you too.
Melikikimaka. I said it right. Woo! One of the biggest surprises we found with furniture flipping is that We have found so many different weird items back behind the drawers. It's like a treasure. Here we found socks, underwear, and bedroom slippers. Pops wanted to know if the underwear were in his size.
This year, while flipping furniture, we learned that sometimes you just have to whack something before you can fix it up and make it pretty. One of our most frustrating yet comical moments was trying to hang Sammy's wallpaper. Totally felt like we were part of the Three Stooges.
And boy, we could not have gotten through this year without the help of our friends, neighbors, and our husbands, who we call the big guns. So thank you, Nelson. Thank you, Jim, Pops, and Mr. SCO.
Second Chance Ohana has really been a family affair. Even my oldest kiddos helped on a couple projects. My youngest daughter showed up in quite a few videos, if you remember. She loved learning all these new skills and ended up really getting her hands dirty with a lot of the projects. Well, it took 2 months, but we finally finished your room. Do you guys remember what it looked like before? Room. Have a great day. Aloha.
A look back on 2021 wouldn't be complete unless we mentioned that Danny and I both found that we love frog tape. I mean, look at that. It's so satisfying to peel it off.
Our two biggest fails this year were a direct result of sickness. In this case, I had COVID, was stir crazy, finally feeling better, and just couldn't wait to get back to furniture flipping. Unfortunately, I drilled right through our resin epoxy tabletop. So frustrating. And unbeknownst to Pops, he had West Nile virus when we were loading this piece up to deliver to a customer. And goodness, Chip happens. He just rammed it right into the back of his truck. And I think he was so grateful 3 days later finding out he had West Nile virus so he could blame it on that.
I just loved having my grand dog Barkley with us in the shop every day. But sometimes he steals the show.
Hi, Barkley boy. Let's look back at what it looked like before. Joking would get frustrating, but like those magical moments when they became seamless. It's pretty amazing. Down in front, Barkley. Jeez. Okay, get comfy, get comfy.
Good boy. Okay. Down.
Honey, clean up aisle 3. Barkley, I'm running by help you. Oh, no, you don't have any towels. It has been such a fun year, and we have created a ton of different pieces that we're really proud of. And we asked our Instagram followers to vote in the head-to-head competition to help us figure out the best furniture flip of 2021. And here is the top 4 that they chose.